Now, for a moment, let's see the difference between just being a boss versus being a leader. A boss likes giving orders and will say, go. A leader gets involved and says, let's go. You see, teamwork is seen in a leader. If there is a problem, the boss may just pick up the phone, make a few calls, and try to address the issue and solve it. But a leader knows not to solve a problem for a person, rather solve the problem with the person. This is because the boss is interested only in directing people, but a leader is interested in developing people. The greatest responsibility of a leader is to develop leaders. These were thoughts from John Maxwell, and I hope it helps you in your sphere of influence. Thank you for watching.